In this video today, we are going to show you how to automate offline form entry for Apricot using Device Magic. The solution we're going to demo today can work to dispatch any Tier 1 or Tier 2 record in Apricot, creating a dispatch in the Device Magic app that can be submitted either online or offline to support data entry in the field by your staff members. We're going to start this automation demo by logging into Apricot, and we're going to open up our Tier 1 participant record. We're going to navigate to the document folder, and I'm going to start by creating a Tier 2 assessment form. We're going to use the Arizona Self-Sufficiency Matrix for this demo. The end user is going to enter the preliminary details for this assessment, so the due date, select our enrollment, set the survey frequency, and select the applicable domains that we would like to score on this assessment. We're then going to check the field that we have here to dispatch this assessment to our Device Magic app. When we click Save Record, this is going to go ahead and trigger an automation that will create that dispatch and sync it to our Device Magic app. Now, when we log into Device Magic, we will see that we have a new dispatch, and it is going to show us the name of the participant and the participant's date of birth to support with identification of the correct dispatch. When we open the dispatch, we're going to see a number of details related to that assessment that we filled out, as well as the Tier 1 participant record. Now, if I go ahead and turn my phone to airplane mode so I'm offline, you'll see that I can continue with my data entry. So we have those locked fields for reference. I can change my domains that I'd like to score on my assessment, set my survey test date, and then respond to the applicable assessments. We do have form logic on this dispatch, so that based off of the domains that are selected, the corresponding fields will be presented for a response. Now, when we submit this dispatch, you're going to see that when I go to the Submissions tab, it's going to show this as a pending upload. This is because I do not have any cellular or Wi-Fi service. Now, if we go ahead and re-enable that on our device, let's say we get back to our office and are back on a secure network. When we restore that connection, Device Magic is going to go ahead and now submit that form from our device. And that submission is going to trigger our automation that will sync the data we entered back to Apricot. So we're going to go back to our assessment here, and you'll see that it is going to sync that data back and update our existing Tier 2 record for our self-sufficiency matrix. Now, when we open up that record here in Apricot, we're going to see that those preliminary details all remain the same, but our domains got updated based off of the change we made in our submission. When the dispatch was sent, the date of the dispatch was updated. When our submission synced back through, we did update the survey test date. And then you can see that our responses to those 3 domains that we submitted through our form have been updated on this Tier 2 record. If you are interested in learning more about Apricot automations or offline form entry, please reach out to our Sidekick Solutions team at www.sidekicksolutionsllc.com, or go ahead and drop us an email at sales@sidekicksolutionsllc.com.